Do you want to solve a problem black screen on Call of Duty? Okay, we are going to solve this problem step by step. Okay. Okay, the first step, you go to the Steam or battle.net. Okay. Okay, I have Call of Duty on Steam. Okay, and you go to the library. Okay, here in library, and go to the all games and go to the Call of Duty. Okay, I don't have a Call of Duty here. Okay, for example, okay, Counter Strike, and you go to the manage and properties. Okay, and here in properties you go here in updates. Okay, here, and always keep this game updated. Okay, and the other um, okay, you go to here and go to installed files. Okay, and here you go to the verify integrity of game files. Okay, and you verifying files. Okay, the second fix, you go to the here and you search Call of Duty. Okay, and you right click and run as administration. Okay, and these two fix, you solve this problem. Bye bye.